The developed world is undergoing a quiet revolution, the increasing use of structural steel for construction. Steel design, fabrication and construction delivers building contractors greater speed, accuracy, quality and project control, demonstrated by the project case studies in this short video of recent multi-level steel construction. With earlier occupation, work can proceed on a number of fronts with steel construction. The elimination of temporary formwork, false work and backpropping through the use of structural steel decking releases large floor areas for following trades, as well as minimising on-site labour levels. Large areas of structural decking can be delivered by a single truck. The decking is safely and efficiently laid on site, ready for the placement of reinforcement and concrete. As a result, fit-out of lower levels can commence much sooner because propping of formwork is not required. Early occupation means you get a return on your investment sooner. With steel, there is reduced exposure to on-site risks. Structural steel can be fabricated off-site, whilst the groundworks and foundations are being carried out, contributing to the shorter construction period. This has the added advantage of a reduced on-site workforce, reduced delays due to weather, reduced on-site congestion. Safety barriers complying with occupational health and safety requirements can be installed on-site or even pre-installed through the provision of temporary spigots to all perimeter steel beams. Erection is fast and safe. Larger column-free spaces are achieved with steel. Larger column-free spaces are provided by the long-spanning capability of structural steel. Architectural freedom is provided by the column-free space, giving greater flexibility to building owners and occupiers. More attractive space is provided by the smaller columns that are typically found in a steel building. A recent office project has 18.5 metre clear spans between the core and the perimeter facade, extremely attractive to clients and tenants alike. Using structural steel can future-proof your investment. It's easier to make changes to a building framed in structural steel. Beams and columns can be strengthened to take extra loads by welding on additional plates. New floor penetrations can be simply installed. Steel offers a lightweight frame which makes it an ideal construction method for expanding existing buildings in any direction. Changes to a steel-framed building are generally far easier to accommodate than with other materials. Intertenancy stairs, atriums and strengthening floors are relatively straightforward modifications. Because a structural steel building can be easily expanded, renovated and reinforced for future changes and for the needs of new occupants, the capital value of a steel-framed building remains high. Take advantage of technology. The steel industry has an efficient supply chain, providing clients with a total project solution for the building structure, reducing the risk associated with traditional tendering. Extensive research over the past decade has led to more economical steel-framed buildings and substantial cost savings for clients, facilitated by electronic transfer of information for project control. Advances in fire engineering have greatly reduced the cost of protecting a steel frame without compromising safety. Structural design advances result in more economic designs. Advances in computer-aided design and drafting, together with computer-controlled fabrication, have improved both the cost and speed of delivering a steel solution. Advances in 3D modelling technology allows the electronic integration of the various design and construction disciplines, including clash detection and coordination. The integration of electronic detailing data into CNC machines and automated welding procedures leads to further cost efficiencies. Steel gives you complete recyclability. With the worldwide focus on sustainability, steel as a lightweight, efficient material performs very well. Nearly all structural steel from demolished buildings is recycled. This reduces demolition expenses, reduces landfill volume and helps the environment. Bolted connections allow steel to be 100% reusable. All this at a most competitive cost. By establishing a linear supply chain for the entire structure, the client or main contractor's needs can be fully satisfied. Design, detailing, steel fabrication and erection, laying of structural decking, shear studs and reinforcement, and placement of concrete can be provided as a combined package. This eliminates many interfacing problems and possible subcontract demarcations for the main contractor. Look at the structural steel option at the concept stage of your next building project and reap the benefits.